Incarcerated chairman of Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Shabbir Shah has urged the well-off individuals to assist the poor, needy and the orphans during Eid al-Fitr. He also called for austerity and simplicity in observing the holiday. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, Shah extended his greetings to the Muslims worldwide, particularly those affected by the conflict and violence in occupied Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Indian deceitful occupation of Jammu and Kashmir is replete with fraud and conspiracies and has again planned to stage a drama projecting the false narratives ahead of the Indian Lok Sabha election to malign the Kashmiri right to self-determination demand. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, stated that the Kashmiris must remain vigilant to defeat the evil designs of the parties and agencies. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Modi regime is specifically targeting her party for speaking against the operation following the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mufti made these remarks during a visit to her father's grave in Srinagar. The import of apples from South Africa by the Modi-led Indian regime is being seen as a deliberate attempt to inflict significant losses on the apple industry in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, an agreement between India and South Africa allowing in-transit sterilization of the South African apples and pears has resulted in the expansion of the South African apple share market in India. A resident of the Uttarakhand, India, was shot and injured by unknown gunman in Shopian district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the injured individual has been identified as Dilrajit Singh, who was targeted in the Harpura area of the district.